So I'm just going to be giving a short talk about the latest trends that's happening in the data space. Maybe you learned data analysis like 2 to 3 years ago. You know how to write queries, you know how to perform several Excel functions manually. You create the most excellent dashboards and also you get the best insight. But one of the trends you're going to see is what AI and analytics. This is what's going to happen in that what you're going to be seeing much more fusion between AI and what analysis. So somebody in the data analysis space right now trying to look for, okay, where should I pay more attention to? I've been able to learn the basic skills. I know the basic softwares. What can I add? What can I upskill in? Because as I normally say, the first skill set you learn is not the end. It's just the beginning for more skill sets to end. Many people, when they just learned Excel or they learned like SQL, they just pause there. Maybe they got a role there or they are working there currently. All right. So this is, if you notice, many things have been evolving and an evolution has been taking place. All right. So this year, one of the places you should pay attention to the most is what in the automation space, how you can get a fusion between AI and what automation. As we all know, AI can actually what analyze the data faster than you. It can do the research much more better than you, and it can also create a chart and graph better than you can. All right. The need of the analyst is going to be before and after. Before, I mean, you're going to be given the AI the direction, you're going to give in the prompting, you have the domain knowledge, you have the relationship with the client, you have done the marketing, you're the one that is going to pitch. All right. So, and at the end of the process now, you're the one that is going to now discern which part is overstretched, overemphasized, and what is actually needed from the outputs you actually got from the AI. All right. So, one of the niches you need to find yourself is how you can be able to use AI into your work, and also how you can begin to run several things in the automation space. So, that's one trend that you're going to be able to stick with. All right. Yes, you have the domain knowledge. Yes, maybe I've already built the clientele and repetition. AI is actually yet to make your work much more easier. All right, so it's not actually you building something very big or complex. Look at the simple tasks around you and see, okay, which part can, like, is it the reporting part? Is it the designing part? Like, is it the data cleaning processes? Is it the transformation part? Just look around and see what you can actually add to what you have. Or the second trend I'll speak about now is growing yourself more in strategy. All right, yes, you're used to the operations whereby they give you the data, you clean it and the rest, you deliver it and all that, you send the mail, you send the report. But you might not really know how the industry operates at large. You might not even know how your business actually makes money. All right, if you notice that the goal of the analyst is to be able to aid decision making. So you should be able to solve decision makers' problem. And one of the decision makers' problem is strategy. Why? Because they make decisions regularly. All right. So when you're not just bringing clean data, clean graphs and charts, or carrying out research, but you're doing something more because of you actually know how the industry operates. It really gives you that what leverage and the upper hand. Because of right now, we know that AI can now do the whole dirty work, the cleaning and everything like that. So that means the people that are going to be more relevant are those people that know beyond just the technical part, but they are able to show that domain knowledge, they are able to show that business intelligence, they're able to show that they can create strategies and be able to what implement and execute ideas. Every year, every day, lots of ideas are being gushed out. All right. So it's the people that can be able to carry ideas and implement them with strategy and research that are going to be very valuable. All right. So look at where you are, look at some strategies, some ideas, try to upskill yourself more in the project management space, try to see how you can be able to just create value from the analysis you have. Yes, analysis is a tool. All right. So you can now use your knowledge to be able to get more research, to build yourself, get more research. Okay, what are the top 10 questions that are going to be asked? What are the top 10 projections that might be lacking? How can I be able to get value to this point? How can I be able to go out to get value to the other point? All right. When you begin to search, your brain begins to change from being just a consumer mindset to being a producer mindset. So you just having that thought, okay, where can I add value? Right now, you might not know it, but just like a way, like when you want to leave the house and you're trying to, okay, you're looking for somebody in a red car. If you notice, when you're walking around the road, you'll be seeing lots and lots of red cars. Why? Because it's already in your subconscious mind, okay, I'm looking for something like this. So when you're looking for places to add values, when you're looking for problems to solve, like when you're trying to look for places to actually go and develop strategy, you begin to see the opportunities, and what opportunities also begins to find you. All right. So if you notice what's happening, there's a kind of switch from just being the technical guy that knows all the formulas and softwares to somebody that beyond that you're able to implement, you're able to offer strategy, and you're able to add your value. All right. So hope this has been helpful to you. Have a nice day. Thank you.